Hi guys, welcome to our live today. I hope all of you are enjoying your summer vacation, something half term. All of you must be enjoying your summer vacations and also preparing for your 11 plus entrances. So it's good that we are live. I hope all of you are also enjoying your summer vacations and not only preparing for 11 plus. It's really hot today and we are doing something what all of you like. I'll be sharing my screen. I'll be doing a past paper from a private school which called Elthem College, and it's 2024 entrance. So if anybody wants to be in Eltham College in 2024, they were supposed to do this paper. So again, you can find the paper in the description. You can print the paper out and try doing it yourself, and then look at this video. So you could do it any way you want. The paper is in the description, and you will be able to see this live in 11 plus ALT group, sorry, 11 plus free resources group, or you could see the live in ambitious learning tuition Facebook page. So let's get started before you guys are, all of you must be waiting for it. So let's get started. Let me start sharing the screen so all of you can see the paper and start doing it now. I'll hide myself and I'll zoom in a little bit as usual so all of you will be able to see the paper. So let's zoom in. As I always say in the private school, the first questions, if you see, are easy, and when you go to the other side, it keeps getting harder again and again. So try doing the first one and see what answer you guys will get. So the first one is only adding. You are just adding it and doing nothing. So try doing the first one. Okay. So you got the answer for the first one. Let's see if your answer is right. You're adding it and you got the right answer. It's 757. So let's do it. You're adding these up, and then I'll just make it a little bigger so that, oh, 757 is for the first one. In the second one, you're just minusing it and see what would you get if you minus it. Second one is just to minus it and see it. Just to minus it. What did you get for the second one? Yes, it 886. That's good. You got the right answer. Let's write down the answer for the second one. For the second one, the answer is 886. The next one is multiplication. So you're multiplying 837 multiplied by 7. So in this one, you need to know your sevens table really well. It's 5859. Good. So the answer for the next one is 5859. And then you have another part of that in which that's long multiplication in this. Don't forget to add a zero when you have two numbers. So you have 452 multiplied by 38. So you have 452 multiplied by 38 to get your answer for the next one. That's the D. Anybody with the answer for this one? Did you guys get the answer for the next one now? So basically you're multiplying this now. 17176. Good. You got it right. So the answer for the next one is 171 and 76. So you have another one now in which you have 1107 divided by 9. So you're dividing now by 9. So you have now, that is 1107 divided by 9. In this, you need to know your nines table really well when you're dividing by 9. 123. Good. So the next one is 123. Then you have 1599 divided by 13. So you need to know your 13th table in this one. You have 1599 divided by 13. The answer is same as the previous one. So you could be quick now. It's 123 again. So it's 123 again. Now we are on the second question in this, in which they are asking you what is 14.7 plus 5.3 divided by 4. So in this one, try doing this bracket first. This bracket would be 20 divided by 4. So you need to know your fourth table then, and then do it 20 divided by 4, and that is 5. Good. So you'll get your answer as 5. Then you have 8.4 multiplied by 5, and then you're minusing it by 3.9. I'm putting a bracket here so that you don't get confused. When you're doing 8.4 multiplied by 5, you get it 42. And now you need to minus 42 minus 3.9 to get your answer for this one. And that is 38.1. Good. And that is 38.1. And now you have 6 multiplied by 2.4, and then you're adding it by 24 multiplied by 0.9. So when you multiply this, you will get 14.4 plus again 14.4, and then you will get your answer for this. So what do you think the answer would be for this one now? So you're doing 14.4 plus 14.4 to get the answer. So what do you think the answer would be for the next one? 28.8. Good. So it will be 28.8. Now you have your percentages. You have what is 10% of 90, and then you have 5% of 90, and then you have 1% of 90. So you have three type of percentages in this. So 10% of 90 is 90 divided by 100. 0 to 0 cancelled. What is 9 divided by 10? That's 9. 5% of 40, that is 4.5. And the last one, 1% of 90, that is 0.9. Then you have, use your answer to part A to find 47% of 90. To find 40% of 90, you could do you could do 40% plus 7%, you could find like that, or you could do like the one I'm showing you here. You could find 4 multiply by, you could do 10% of 90 plus 5% of 90, that's 45% done. And then find 2%. 2 multiply by 1% of 90. When you do all of these, you will get the answer. Let me just use a text box for easier way. You would get 42. So you get 36 plus 4.5 plus 1.8. When you add these all up, you will get your answer as 42.3. Good, you got it. Next one, they're asking you, a shape can be made by joining squares together so that the edges touch. Here are the two different shapes. These shapes both have a perimeter of 12. Write down the area of each shape. So shape 1 and shape 2. So what is the area of shape 1? What do you think? The area of shape 1 would be, because you would be doing, let me just write down to make it easy. This one here, I could say this is A, this is B, C, and a D. And for this one, I would say this is a D, C, E, F, G, I, J, A, and B. Now I'm going to type it for you guys here and make this little bigger so you can see. So I will do area. Oh, it's too big. I'll do area of shape 1 equals to area of A, B, F, J plus area of C, D, E, F plus area of F, G, H, I. That would be 2 multiplied by 1 plus 1 multiplied by 2 plus 1 multiplied by 1. That equals 2. We are adding them up. 2 multiplied by 2 is 2. 1 multiplied by 2 is 2. And plus 1. 2 plus 2 is 4. Plus 1 is 5. So the first one we got the answer is 5. And shape 2, you just have to do area of the rectangle. That's length into breadth. That would be AB multiplied by BC. That is 4 multiplied by 2. That gives you 8 units. So we have done this one. So I hope you all got that. It's 8 squared. Yes, you got it right. That's 4A. In this one, they are saying draw a different shape with a parameter of 12. So you could do yourself. You could do any of the ways you could do this one. You could oh, you could do this one like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, I'll take this one down. This goes here. Or you could make it any way you want. So this is one of the way I've done it. So the next one also you have to do the same thing. So we will start this. All of you can make it yourself. I'm just giving you one example. 2, 3, 4. I need 4 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 4 here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Done. So let's move on to the next one. In this, they're asking you, they have, so now you have another one. It tells you, let's make it a little bigger if you can't see it. From the list below, circle all the numbers that are factors of 36. So you have to circle, I'll circle 1, I'll circle 9, I'll circle 3, I will circle 2. I'll circle 36, 6, 4, 18, and 12. So this is all you guys will have to circle. So the next one they're asking you is write down all the factors of 20. So you need to write down all the factors of 20. So 20, and the factors of 20 are 1 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 5. So the factors are 1, 2, 4, 5, 10, and 20. Now 5C, they're asking you is write the factors of 20 and 30 in the diagram. So you write 5, 10, 20, 1, 2 and 4 are common, so they'll be in the middle. And for 36, you'll write 3, 6, 9, 12, 18, and 36 itself. Now they're asking you what is the highest common factor, was the highest common factor of 20 and 36. That would be 4. The next one now they're asking you, the E is the lowest common multiple of two numbers can be found using the following method. So what they want you to do is multiply the two numbers together, divide the numbers by the highest common factor. Use this method to find the lowest common multiples of 20 and 36. So you'll do 20 multiplied by 36 divided by 4. That gives you guys 720 divided by 4. That's 180. So your answer for this one would be 180. Good. So now the next one tells you 1 hour and minute hands of a clock makes an angle. The size of the angle depends on the time that the clock is showing. What is the obtuse angle between the hands at 8 o'clock? So 180 and then obtuse angle and 90. So as we know that 60 minutes equals to 360, and we also know that 1 minute equals to 6. So at 8 o'clock, what they're saying, at 8 o'clock the clock will show 20 multiplied by 6, that's 120. And the B1 they are telling you, give 1 minute when the angle between the hands will be exactly at 90. So you know that, as we told in the previous one, 360 equals to 60 minutes, and 6 minutes, 6 equals to 1 minute, sorry, not 16, 6 equals to 1 minute. So what will you do now? You will just do 6 multiply by 15 multiply by 15 multiply by 1. So that 90 equals to 15 minutes. Possible time for 90 minutes between minutes and hand clock Could be there, could be anything. It could be 3 o'clock, 6 o'clock, and it could be 9 o'clock. So did you guys get that? 3, 6, 9, 3 o'clock, 6 o'clock, and 9 o'clock. And the C part of it is the same way as we did the previous one. In the C part, they're asking you exactly 60 minutes. The angle between the clock is 60. So you'll do the same thing. 330, 360 equals to 60 minutes. 6 equals to 1 minute. So you will just multiply it by 10, multiply by 10, multiply by 1. That gives you 60 equals to 10 minutes. So the time the clock will, possible time for 60 between minutes and hand clock would be 10 and 2. Would be 10 o'clock or 2 o'clock. Same thing you will do with the D1. They're asking for 30. So you'll do 360 equals to 60 minutes. 6 equals to 1 minute. And then 6 multiply by 5, multiply by 5, multiply by 1. That's 30 equals to 5 minutes. So it will be 11 o'clock or 1 o'clock. Follow the clues to find the mystery number for the list below. So what do you think the mystery number is? The number has 2 digits. It has 2 digits. The number has 2 digits. Both the digits are even. So let's think about the numbers what's given to you. What are the 2 digits you think the number could be? For the statement, for the statement 1, the possible numbers could be 18, 86, could be any of these, could be any of these numbers basically. Both the digits are even, so try thinking which of the even numbers are there. 86, 42, 46, 64, 80, and 22. And the digit of the 10 places is greater than the digit in the 1 place. So that could be 86, that could be 42, 64, and 80. The 1 digit is not the 3 times table. It's not in the 3 times table. So think which one don't come in 3 times table. The 10 digit is not the double of 1 digit. And the last one is the sum of the 2 digits is a multiple of 5. So I think so that could be 64. So what do you think the mystery number is? I think the mystery number would be 64. You just have to make a table and keep writing what they are asking you, different things, and just try doing that, yeah? Now we have 4 bags contains a large number of ones, threes, fives, and sevens. Pick any 10 numbers from the bag above so that the total is 37. Various combinations are, you could use various combinations. I'll do one combinations And you could also do the different one. I could do 1 plus 1 plus 1 multiplied by 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 5 plus 7 plus 7 and 7. So try doing any combinations you guys can do. You have to do different combinations. You could do, I've done one for you. You could do different combinations and get your answer as 37. Okay, let's go on the next one. The next one are saying I was exploring a puzzle in which the headless matchsticks had to be moved to make a different numbers of a triangle. I made one triangle which has 3 matches. I made it into 4 small triangles by adding 3 matches. I added another row to make an exact shape in the pattern and counted the numbers of the small triangle and counted the matches. How many small triangles are there in the pattern? So try doing what they have told you. The first one is I made one triangle. So it's 1, and then it has 3 matches, 3, and then I made 4 small triangles, 4, and then I'm just trying making another one. Make another one here. That would be a 8. Another one would come here. That would be a 9. Another one would be here. That would be a 7. It'll go up like this. 2 would be, that would be a 6. Another one here would be a 5. So how many matches does the pattern have? So you need to count how many matches does the pattern has. How many small triangles are there in the next pattern? So how many triangles are there in the next pattern? You just need to count all of them, and you will say that there are 9 triangles in the other one. And how many matches did you make? You made 18 matches. So how many matches in the next pattern you made? You know that it's 18. Now we are on number 10. Number 10, these were little tricky ones. You just need little practice and do it. Now they're telling you solve these questions to find the number represented by each letter. 15s equals to 90. So you have algebra now. I hope you guys like it. So to find the s, my 15 will go the other side, will divide. So you do 90 divided by 15 to get your answer. That's 6. For the next one, it is 5t plus 18 minus 78. First, try bringing the 18 the other side. Remember, in algebra, I have done a video. When you take it to the other side, the sign changes. So we'll do first 78 minus 18. That is 60. And then to find the t, your 5 will go the other side, will divide. So it'll be 60 divided by 5. That gives you guys 12. And now in the next one, you have n divided by 2 minus 3 equals to 22. So if the first thing is, I'll bring the 3 to the other side. So that would be 22 plus 3. That would be 25. Remember, when you divide, you have divide and you have to take to the other side, that will become multiply. So it'll be 25 multiplied by 3 to get your answer, and that would be 50. So now we are on number 11. Number 11, they are telling you that the sum is made using the odd numbers. Complete the following sums to make the answer shown. You can use these formulas. So you need the answer to be 27. So what would you do? You will do add 1 plus 3 multiply by 5 plus 7. That gives you guys 27. Next one again, you need the answer to be 8. So you would do is 1 multiply by 3 multiply by 5, and then you're minusing it by 7. That gives you the answer as 8. And the last one would be 1 plus 3 plus 5 multiply by 7. That gives you your answer as 63. So you have now number 12. Kate has a pick of 20 cards numbers from 1 to 20. She arranged the cards from 6 piles, piles, sorry. The number on the card in each pile added to the total number. What would be the total and how could be done? So again, you have to think about different combinations. Let me take a text box for this one and I will start from here. So the sum of the numbers so the sum of all the numbers from 1 to 20 is equal to 210. So we need 6 equal parts because I have told you how many parts you need. So try dividing 210 divided by 6. That gives you guys 35. So you have to think about different combinations how to make 35. So let's do the first combination. First one you could do is 20 plus 15. Second one you could do is 19 plus 16. Third one you could do is 18 plus 16. Sorry, 17. The next one you could do for one. Can you see what's happening in the combination? 14 plus 13 plus 8. Fifth combination you can make is 12 plus 11 plus 7 plus 5. And the last combination you could make is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 6 plus 9 and plus 10. You could also try making combinations yourself, try doing a different one. So this is the last question for today. It tells you that in okay, let's let someone else read today. Where is our speaker? They have changed it a little bit. Oh, so let him read for you. So you have to work out the can you work out the arrangements of the digits in the squares so that the given products are correct? So your products what are given to you is 15, 108, 224. So let's do it now. So what do you think could be the first one? The first row could be because you need the answer to be 15. 1 multiply by 3 multiply by 5, that gives you 15. So the second one, you need the answer to be 108. So you could do 6 multiply by 2 multiply by 9 gives you 108. The third one, let's do ND instead of ST. So the third one would be 8 multiply by 4 multiply by 7, that gives you 224. Now you have done that. The next thing what you have to do is you have to find the each column. So let's find the column. I'll put the column here. So the first column will be 3 multiplied by 6 multiplied by 8, that gives you 144. And then you have the row is second row is equals to 1 multiply by 2 multiply by 4, that gives you guys 8. Then you have the third column. So the third would be 5 multiply by 9 multiply by 7. So that equals to the fourth one you need is 15. So you could do that. So in with this, we end the paper with this. Okay, guys, we are done with the paper. I'll stop sharing with you the screen. Did you find the paper hard or did you find it easy? And don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you don't have. And this is another one. Thanks for joining us live today, guys. So I hope all of you like this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. And that's all for today. Middle, because some of the questions were hard. I know some of them are really hard. So keep practicing for 11 plus and try booking ALT mocks also. We also have only 2 mocks left. If you want to book ALT mocks, just go on our ALT website and do it. We also have the online mocks. If you guys want to book that, just go ahead and book the online mocks. And the best thing about the online mocks is you can do in your space. You can just do it any time of the day. But remember that whenever you start doing the mock, the papers are marked. The papers are time, not marked. The papers are time. So that's all for today, guys. I'll see you back in the another video next time. Bye.